you have this perfect balancing load it's an economically perfect consumer of electricity. It is only consuming when the price signal says to do so, and ERCOT lets price do a lot of the work that demand response programs and a lot of regulation do in other grids. Texas is the best place to have a price sensitive load. In a lot of other electricity grids, the grid buys all of the volatility and then they subsidize the cost out to all the participants. So, your average grid has a net higher cost of power on average versus ERCOT, but has much less volatility. And in Texas, like they do with everything, and that's what makes Texas great, they let the free market do its thing, and consequently power prices are extremely volatile. And our buddy Nathan from BP, Nathan Mancha, says takes big cojones to trade power in ERCOT, and he's absolutely right. I mean, the price of power can go from $30 to $1,000 in 1 5-minute interval. We see it all the time. Your software has to be really fast, and everything's got to be finely tuned to take in all of the variables that contribute to power cost and optimize it. And so it's a great fit for a grid like that. A grid with high volatility and a lot of intermittent renewables is a perfect fit for a Bitcoin mining load. You talk about this more than anybody, and I know we really need to beat the drum on this, but you have this free demand response, which is absorbing excess energy when there's too much renewable generation, and then shutting down when the residential communities and everybody else who really needs power cannot shut down. So you have this perfect balancing load it's an economically perfect consumer of electricity. It is only consuming when the price signal says to do so, and ERCOT lets price do a lot of the work that demand response programs and a lot of regulation do in other grids.
Hey, it's Amy. Click over here to subscribe, click over here for more content, and we'll see you next time.